Please watch more of our videos and subscribe to our channel.
Hi, I'm Namik and welcome to Fit Like a Model. When you look at the bigger picture, I often wonder, how difficult can it be to grow a beard? Well, it's not the growing part that requires skill. In fact, that's the easiest. Everything after that, though, is what I'm going to be decoding for you in today's segment, Beard 101. Everything you need to know about beards. Patience is key. Resist the urge to trim or style it very often when you're just starting to grow a beard. I'm guilty of doing this, so trust me. Just wait and give it time to grow out properly, and then pick a style that will suit your face structure. Pruning regularly after that will help you maintain it. A good quality trimmer can be just the tool you need. I'm so faithful to my trimmer because I know it would never give up on me. I also use a white tooth comb, which helps me for my daily upkeep. And I would highly recommend the same to those with thick, wavy or curly hair growth. I make it a point to scrub off all the dirt from my beard regularly. Dead skin cells can get super itchy sometimes, especially in humid tropical weather like what we have in Mumbai. So grab those mild beard shampoos and conditioners to keep things clean and hygienic. A proper beard line can be the difference between looking fuller or leaner. The rule is to cut your beard 2 fingers from above your Adam's apple. So spend some quality time and money on your barber to understand the right length and shape that will suit you best. Personally, I prefer a stubble which is short and sharp, so it accentuates my jawline and it's easier to maintain it as well. I've always been a fan of the goatee, but never had the courage to go back to it after college. But if you think that's your style, nothing is less stressful or millennial than that. On the other hand, long beards can help you hide the curve of a double chin. But if you're more of a clean shave guy, distinct sideburns could be your thing to try on. Just like investing in proper tools, invest in products that help you enhance, maintain, and grow your beard. I'm a huge fan of beard oils. Unlike the name, they're non-greasy and convenient. They not only work for your facial hair texture, but also help you groom your beard the way you like it. With companies like Beardo, Ustra, Beardhood, and the Man Company, there are plenty of options to choose from. I would suggest that you try out multiple brands to see which suits your hair texture best, and then stick to it for eternity like I did. So guys, I hope these tips help you with your new beard look. For more pro tips, stay tuned. Until next time, this is Namik signing off.